Welcome back. In our last episode, we covered the basics of objects in TypeScript, including creating properties and working with nested data. Today, we're going to make our objects more powerful by adding methods and learning how to use the this keyword. In TypeScript, a method is a function that's attached to an object. Methods allow objects to perform actions and can access the object's properties directly. Let's see an example. Alright, we have the greet function here. And here it accesses the property name directly with the this keyword. This actually means go to this user profile. So it's this one, right? It knows that because of this syntax. Now we use a function here. See, when you use an arrow function, which is what we usually use, this is not possible because it will say property name does not exist on type global this. And that's true. An arrow function doesn't refer with its this to the current object. It will refer to global this. Now global this is something where you can store global data. Like in the browser, it's used for the window property. Now here in Node, we can add stuff to it. Like maybe we want to use a dark theme, right? So you can have global this dot dark theme equals true. I don't know. And then you can have it like this and it will be fine. Just know that whenever you use an arrow function, it will refer to global this, and global this is used for global stuff and not for local stuff. So that's a small detail there for global this. So that's actually how you use the methods and the this keyword. The this refers to the current object and can only be used with this function syntax. Now let's run the code real quick. Let's save it, compile it and run it. And there you go. It says, hello, John Doe. And then it says the user's birth year, which it calculates. Using this in methods usually helps us create reusable code within an object because it always points to the current instance of the object, which is very important. Like sometimes, like with this get birth year function or method, as I should call it, it's really nice to encapsulate the logic into your user profile object. And then with this, you can just access whatever property you need. And then you can do your calculation. And you won't have to write a separate function somewhere else in your code because it's already in the object and it belongs there. So that's that for this and for methods. Very short, very simple, but very useful. Let's go to the exercises. This one is also not that long, but it's very nice to do. Create a new object called car with properties like make, model, and year. Add two methods to it. First one is the car's description, and then one to calculate its age. I'll give you some time to pause. All right, let's go over to the answers. So we have a car object with make, Toyota, model, Camry, year, 2015. We have a get description and a get age. And when we run it, I'll hope it works. No. And then we run answers.js, and there you go. We have a 2015 Toyota Camry, and it's 10 years old. So that's how it works. Today, we added methods to objects and learned how to use the this keyword to refer to the current object. These concepts make our code more dynamic and allow objects to handle their own properties. In the next episode, we'll dive deeper into classes, a powerful way to create and organize objects in TypeScript. Thanks for joining. See you next time. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button for new episodes. Have a great day and happy programming.